So in last video we have discussed multiplication by the Urdu Kriya Vyam. In this video we will discuss about the Niklam Soot. Okay. So here we will learn about how to multiply two numbers by the Niklam. Okay. Let's see. 28 multiplied with 26. 28 multiplied with 26. So now, first we are to note that number and here deviation, and in the side we will note it hint. What we will note? Hint. Okay, in the hint first note the base. Base is what? Here it is a two-digit number, so base is 10. So base is 10. And subbase is 20. Subbase is 20. These numbers are in that row of the numbers. We take the subbase of that row. So here it is in the 20th row. So we are 20, 21 like that. So we are taking the subbase 20. Okay. Now subbase digit. Subbase digit. Subbase digit is equal to subbase upon base. Subbase upon base. Okay. Subbase upon base. So here subbase is 20 and base is 10. So 20 is divided by 10. So here will 2. Okay. Now note the number 28 and 26. Okay. Now we have to find the deviation. What is the deviation? Deviation is number minus subbase. Number minus subbase. Number minus subbase is equals to deviation. Okay. So here number is what? 28 and 26. 28 minus 10 is equals to 20 is equals to 8 and minus 20 is equals to 6. So these are the deviation. Deviation can be positive or can be negative. So here 8 is the deviation and 6 is the deviation. Okay, let's see. In this row, first we multiply this 8 and 6. 8 and 6 multiply to each other. Okay, first 8 and 6, then we have to make a oblique. Okay, 8 and 6. Now 28 plus 6. Always add the opposite numbers. Okay, so 28 add with 6. So 28 add with 6 and multiply with subbase digit. So subbase digit is 2. Subbase digit is 2. Solve it now. 8 into 6, 48. And this is 34 into 2, 68. Okay. Remember that there is a base 10. So we are to note it in this format. We can do this. So this is your base digit, unit digit, and this is the carry, which is transferred to next digit. Okay, here 8 and 4 transfer at here and it is add हो जाएगा ये और ये कितना हो जाएगा 12. So 2 and 6 plus 1 7. So 728 is the answer of this. 728 is the answer of this. Again listen it. First multiply 6 into 8, 48, and then cross add to the number plus deviation. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 is multiplied with 2, 68. So 68 oblique 48. We can write in this format also if you want. Okay. Then 8. Then carry is 4. 4 add to 68 is 72. So 7 to 8 is the answer of this question. Here, if this number is 2-digit number, then we are to take this 10. If the number is 3-digit number, we are to take this 100. Okay. And sub-base is depend on the number. They are in the which category. Okay. Let's see next example. If the number is 42, 43 and 44, like that, this is the number, and we are to multiply a 3-digit number. So numbers are what? 42, 43, 44. Here base is what? 10, because here all numbers are 2-digit numbers, so base is 10. Sub base is what? They are in the line of 40, so sub base is 40. Okay. Now sub base digit is what? 40 upon 10. So 4. Sub base digit is 4. Now 41 minus 40 is equals to 42. 42 minus 40 is equals to 2. 43 minus 40 is equals to 3, and 44 minus 40 is equals to 4. So these are the derivation. 42 minus 42 and 43 minus 40 is equals to 3, and 44 minus 40 is equals to 4. So these are the derivation noted at here opposite to the numbers. Okay. So number and deviations we have find it, and then now what is the process of this? In this process, first multiply two numbers. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is what? 6. So multiply first. Okay. Multiply first these three numbers. 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 4. Then oblique. Then multiply in the pairs. In the pairs means 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 4 and multiply with sub-base digit. Sub-base digit is what? 4. Multiply with sub-base digit, and sub-base digit is what? 4. So here will 4. Okay. Then again further put a oblique and then write the next. In the next what we did? We did what? Take a number and add the remaining numbers opposite to that. Okay. 42 plus 3 plus 4 and multiply with 8. सब बेस डिजिट स्क्वायर, और इसे मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है? सब बेस डिजिट स्क्वायर से. ओके. नाउ आई हैव नो यूज ऑफ दिस. इसका यूज नहीं है इसलिए इरेज कर देता हूँ. So here I am going to solve it at here. 2 into 3 into 4. So what is this? 4 3 to 24 oblique 2 into 3 6, 3 into 4 12, and 2 into 4 8. 8 and 12 20, 26. 26 multiplied with 4 oblique. Okay. This is 42 and this is 7. 49. 49 into 16. Okay, solve these. 24 oblique 104 and this will 784. Okay. Now, what was the base? Base was the 10. So we have to take only on first value, unit place value. Okay, so here is what? 4. So we have to take 4. Then add this 2. Then this is 4, 106. So 106 will 6 at here. And carry to this 10. 10 will carry at here. So 7, 9 and 4. You can add also in next group of this. एक नेक्स्ट स्टेप भी आप इसे इस तरह से कर सकते हो 4 2 oblique और 10 4 oblique 7 8 4. So here 4 2 carry on to this 6 and this is carry to this and 7 8 9 4. So और यहाँ से इस स्टेप को ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप. Okay, so what we had done, first we multiply 2 into 3 into 4, 24, 2 into 3, 6, plus 12, plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 multiplied with 4, so 104. And 42 plus 3 plus 4, so 42 plus 3 plus 4, 49, multiplied with 16. Multiply करो 24 as it is and this is 104 and this is 784. First process is this 4 at note at here and 2 is carry on this. So this become 106. 106 there 6 and 10 is carried to this and 794. So answer is 794 64. Or you can use this step in this way also. You can write it. So whatever you want to write, you can this both processes. Okay. So this is the multiplication of the 2 number and 3 numbers. Okay. Okay. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा 3 डिजिट नंबर. 3 डिजिट नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करोगे? 324 multiplied with 322. So base is what? Here 100 place values are here. 3 digit number. So base we will take 100. What? 100. Base is what? 100. Sub base. Sub base is, this is the multiple of 3. So 300. Sub base digit. Sub base digit equals to 300 divided by 100 equals to 3. Equal to 3. So this is your sub base digit. Okay. Now number minus sub base equal to deviation. Equal to deviation. Okay. Equal to deviation number is what? 324. So 324 minus 300 will equal to 24 and 322 minus 300 equal to 22. Okay. So here number is 324 and 322. Okay. Here deviation is 24 and 22. First multiply with 24 into 22. Then number is added to the opposite number, cross. So 324 added with 22. Okay, and multiply with sub base digit. Sub base digit is 3. Sub base digit is 3. Okay, solve it. 24 into 22. Okay, and this is 326, 46, 46, and multiply with 3. 346 multiplied with 3. So answer is 8, and this is 12, and 3 and 9, 10. Okay. Now base is what? Base is 100. So use two pairs. Okay, numbers of 2. So 28 and 5 is carried to at here. 5 को आप इसमें कैरी दोगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1043. Okay, so this is your answer. First, what we did, first write the numbers 324 and 322, then write base, sub base is 300. Always remember that we take this number from here. Okay, 300, sub base digit is 300 upon 100 is 3. Okay, number minus sub base equal to deviation. So number 324, sub base 300 minus करोगे 24, 322 minus 300, so answer will 22. Okay, so 24 multiply with 22, answer will 8 and 528. And in this, add this 346. 346 multiplied with 3, answer will 1038. Now, use these numbers as a pair of 100. So we have to take two pairs, two digit pairs. So 28 is not at here, and 5 is carried to this. After 5 adding to this, we will get 1043. Okay, this is the answer of this. Now, okay, square by 1 लिख लो. Square by लिख लो. First I am telling you about the square by decline by basic process, then by the formula we will solve. So you have to learn this how to be solved, and then we will use the formula. We will use formula. So I am telling you about 48 multiplied with 48. मीन्स स्क्वायर करना है किसका? 48 का, एंड वी आर टू आंसर, हमें आंसर देना है. सो भाई निकलम से कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसे? फर्स्ट नंबर एंड डेविएशन. ओके, सो नंबर इज 48 एंड 48. सो यहाँ पर बेस क्या होगा? बेस will 10 and sub base will 40. Sub base will 40. Okay, now base is 10 and sub base is 40, then sub base digit with 40 upon 10 equals to 4. Now number minus sub base equals to deviation. Number minus sub base equal to deviation. Number is what? 48 minus 40 equal to 8. So deviation is what? Deviation is 8. So deviation noted to the opposite of that number, this. Okay, now solve it. Same process in the last. 8 into 8. 8 into 8. Oblique. Add the opposite number to its derivation. 48 plus 8. And multiply with sub-base digit. Sub-base digit is 4. Sub-base digit is 4. So after solving it, you will get 64 oblique. This is 56. 56 multiplied with 4. So 224. Okay. Now solve it. Similar process. 64. Base is 10. So first digit we will take. Base is 10. So first digit we will take. First digit is what? 4. So we noted 4. Then 6 is carried to next. 6 is carried to next. Carry दोगे इसे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 240. So 230 हो जाएगा. 230. So this is your answer. 2304 is the square of 48. 2304 is the square of 48. Now, this is the basic method, but we need to solve by the formula because we have a formula. Formula comes from at here. यहाँ से वो formula generate होता है. तो वो formula है क्या? Actually, formula is this: derivation square of a number plus derivation and multiply with sub-base digit. Okay. Remember that this is the formula. Formula is what? Derivation square of derivation plus number multiply with sub-base digit. So this is the formula of square. Now we will do it. Okay, let's see. Okay, I am reading it. Okay, formula is what? So directly we are doing by the formula. Okay, formula is what? Square. Okay, directly. So sub-base digit. Bracket number plus derivation or derivation square. So this is what? Square of a number. Square of a number. किसी भी नंबर का अगर आपको स्क्वायर करना है तो क्या होगा? ऑलवेज डेविएशन स्क्वायर ऑब्लिक नंबर प्लस डेविएशन ब्रैकेट एंड सब-बेस डिजिट मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, लेट्स सी हियर. बेस इज व्हाट? अब इसे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? बेस इज 10, सब-बेस is 40 and sub-base digit is equals to 40 upon 10. So now put all the values in the formula. Okay, derivation, find the number minus sub-base equal to derivation. So number is 48 minus base, sub-base is what? 40. Sub-base is what? 40. So derivation is 8. Now square of 48 equal to sub-base digit is 4. bracket, number is 48 plus deviation is 8 oblique deviation square is 8 square. Okay, so now let's see, solve it. After solving you will get this is 224 oblique 64. Now base is 10, so we will take the digit 1. Only digit 1 लेना है. First 4, then next digit क्या करना है? Carry. तो इसे ऐड कर दोगे, इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? 224 plus 6 230. 230. Okay, this is the square by the Nicolam. Okay, सो इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है आपकी बुक में और आपको इसे नोट करना है. तो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 या 2 है, कौन सा है? लेट्स सी. 1. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7 is given to you that they are square by the Nicolam. So you are to solve by this method and that method. Both method you are to note in your notebook to learn and practice for that. And in examination you are to solve by this method. In your examination you are to solve by this method. Okay, so this is the squaring method. Okay, let me tell you. In the next video I will tell you the next square and cube I will tell you. Okay, and then we will discuss the problem. Okay.